Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my January 2021 Medusa'S Makeup Beauty Box unboxing. I am so excited about this. This is a monthly cruelty-free and vegan beauty subscription service, and I have been wanting to try this out for a while, and I'm so glad I'm finally trying it out, and I am so grateful that this was sent to me for free from Medusa'S Makeup. And I just want to always give that disclaimer, but this is not a sponsored video. I was just so excited to do this unboxing. You get 4 full-size products, always cruelty-free and vegan, and I think that's what makes this such an awesome and unique beauty subscription. And I also like that it's very reasonably priced. So the price starts at $18.95, which includes shipping, but you could get it to be even cheaper if you subscribe to more than 1 month at a time. But without further ado, let's see what I got. I also love this beautiful mailer. All right, so what have we got here? Ooh, so here I have 20% off your next order. Use code 2021. So there's a little discount code for you to use on Medusa'S Makeup. It looks like I also got product information, which I love getting a product information card in my subscription boxes. And there's also a little makeup bag here that says Lovebird. And then here are my products. So first we have from the brand Lovebird, Gentle Foaming Face Wash for all skin types. Brightens and hydrates. Ooh, I need that. Fragrance-free, which is great in skincare. This is cruelty-free, vegan, paraben-free, sulfate-free. And it seems to have pretty minimal ingredients, so that's great. The Lovebird Gentle Foaming Face Wash has a retail value of $14. Next, I have here, ooh, beautiful packaging. This says Brenda Dylan Kelly Lip Cream. I love lip products. I have it in the shade Dylan Loves Kelly, I think. Oh, Beverly Hills 90210. Is this like a theme? 90210 themed product? Oh, interesting. Paraben-free, cruelty-free, gluten-free, peanut-free, which is good for me and my peanut allergy. This has a retail value of $12, and I'm really excited to see what this looks like. Ooh, nice packaging. I'm gonna go ahead and do a swatch. Ooh, I like the applicator. I'll do a full dedicated review video on this as part of my Trying a New Makeup Product Every Day series. I'll do full dedicated review videos on all of the makeup products I get, but I just really want to see what shade this is. Ooh, pretty. It's kind of like a pinky red. I love this color. Oh, I'm so excited. I love finding new makeup brands, and I haven't heard of Brenda Dylan Kelly before, so that's really exciting. I also have from Medusa'S Makeup, ooh, this is so pretty. It's their glitter in Mystique, which is this really fun blue shade. So the Medusa'S Loose Glitter Eyeshadow has a retail value of $8. Oh, this is going to be so fun. I love glitter. And then I also have from Medusa'S Makeup the Totally Baked Eyeshadow in the shade Stoked, which the packaging on this is so fun. Let's see what this looks like. Ooh, I have to swatch this. Is it like a charcoal shade? Whoa, this seems unique. Like, I don't think I have any eyeshadows quite like this. I feel like a gray. That's actually a shade that I would probably get so much use out of. And that has really good pigment. That's swatched beautifully. And so the Medusa'S Baked Eyeshadow has a retail value of $12. All right, so I'm gonna do a quick recap. So I got the Lovebird little makeup bag here, the Lovebird face wash, the Brenda Dylan Kelly lip cream, the Medusa'S Makeup Baked Eyeshadow, and the Medusa'S Makeup Loose Glitter. All of that coming out to a retail value of $46. Let me know in the comments down below if you have tried any of these products. If you get the Medusa'S Makeup Beauty Box, let me know your thoughts on it. And thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.